In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Canva design to Word document, save Canva as Word doc. We're going to take a design you created in Canva and bring it into Microsoft Word so you can edit and save it as a standard docs file. This is helpful when you need to share your design with someone who prefers Word, or when you want to make quick text edits without going back into Canva. First, open your design in Canva. Give it a quick review to make sure everything looks the way you want. Check your text, images, and alignment. If your design has multiple pages, that's fine, Word will handle them as separate pages later. When you are happy with the layout, you are ready to export. Next, click the Share button in the top right corner of Canva, then choose Download. This opens the download settings. In the File Type drop-down, select PDF Standard. This format is optimized for on-screen use and creates a smaller file that Word can convert more smoothly than heavier print PDFs. Once PDF Standard is selected, click Download and save the file to a location you'll remember, like your desktop or a project folder. Now, open Microsoft Word, go to File, then Open, and browse to the PDF you just downloaded. Select it and open it. Word will display a message letting you know it's going to convert the PDF into an editable Word document. That's exactly what we want. Confirm the prompt and give it a moment to process, especially if your design includes images, shapes, or multiple pages. After the conversion, you'll see your design inside Word as an editable document. Take a moment to scroll through and check the formatting. Because PDFs are designed for fixed layouts, you might notice small differences. Text may reflow slightly, and some elements might be grouped as images or shapes. Make any quick adjustments you need, like tweaking line breaks, resizing images, or updating fonts to match your preferred style. When everything looks good, go to File, then Save As. Choose where you want to save the file. Make sure the file type is set to Word document with the Docs extension, give it a clear name, and click Save. You now have a fully editable Word version of your Canva design. That's it. Thanks for watching.